Hey everybody, this is Zach from Myshire Farm, and we are back again to help you on your journey with COTURNIX quail and becoming more self-sufficient. Now in this series, which is titled The Hatching Process, we have talked about what you need to do when you receive the eggs and how to put them into the incubator and what the temperature and humidity and the turning needs to be. Now, lockdown is a little bit different. So, it is day 15. Day 1 to day 14, they are in the incubation process. The morning of day 15 is when you're going to put them into lockdown. Now, here's the differences. The incubation process is 99.5 degrees. The humidity process is the same, 99.5 degrees, give or take a half a degree. So nothing changes there. The second is the turning. If it's automatic turner, you're turning them once every 3 hours. If you're turning them by hand, we recommend turning them at least 3 times a day. In the lockdown process, you're going to take the rails out and you're going to place the eggs onto the bottom of the incubator. Okay? They're no longer turning. They are ready to hatch. So get excited. The third and most important is the humidity. This changes, so stay tuned. In the incubation process, it needs to be 45%. In the lockdown process, it needs to be 75%. And it's still a give or take 5%. So 70 to 80% humidity for lockdown is the safe zone. Okay? Now the reason that you want to increase humidity from 45 to 75% is because you need to soften the egg so that the chick is strong enough to hatch out early and be healthy. Okay? So, temperature for lockdown is 99.5 degrees. Turning, no go. Take the rails out, let them lay. Humidity needs to change from 45 to 75% so that the egg can soften. Now, in the next video, it is going to be the most exciting so far. We're actually going to be moving around this time. We are going to talk about when to candle and how to candle. And I'm going to show you everything that we do here at Myshire Farm. Please check out our website at myshirefarm.com. Hit the like button and please, please, please hit that subscribe button and the bell because the next video is very, very fun. Stay tuned, stay safe, good luck.